Welcome back to the bodywork edition. The last time you saw the Jeep, we were taking the top off. This was partly to get some repairs done on the canopy and re-waterproof it, which is another story, but the main thrust was to get into those rust repairs that I've been talking about for ages. Remember all those grey primer patches on the body? The windshield frame is especially badly rusted. The face under the windshield was bubbling up from the rust inside, and the top corners were even holed. The whole channel that holds the canopy in front was rusted and had rotted through in a few places. This has all been ground down and patched up with new sheet metal that's welded in place, and then everything is ground back to the rough shape of the original. Once that's been done, some grey primer has been used to hold back the rust. The windshield has been put back on to be sure that the welding hasn't warped the frame or added material that would stop it from fitting or folding, but then it will come back off. We've also ground and primered some rust on the seat backs and the floor. To cover the spreading and growing primer patches, we're going to try to replicate the camo on the J23 SR, which is seen here. And this is my Photoshop concept.
So I've gotten into color choices and foolishly had a camo brown color mixed and didn't see it in sunlight. And the result is a bit garish.
More orange than it should be, but it is what it is. Okay, so here we are looking at the attempt at a J23 SR camo. Nowhere near perfect, but